Alright everybody, it's your pal Digital here, and I'm doing a Sprezzabox unboxing. Now this actually came in a bag. So that's kind of interesting. I'll just pull everything out all at once. Ooh, there's a lot of goodies in here. Alright, so first off, we've got Brickle Peppermint Lip Balm. I've got this nice pocket square by Brooklyn Wolf. This is really nice. Now, I actually got this on an introductory offer for new subscribers. I think it was like $10, so pretty good deal for a first box. Cross pattern tie. It's like navy blue. This is, man, this would actually probably go with the shirt that I'm wearing right now. This is nice, very nice quality. This one is from Cotton Brew. Focus. There we go. So we've got a tie, pocket square. We've got just a lot of stuff going on. Oh, it's a neck pillow from Saintly Foam Mattress. It's a blow-up air pillow. Cool, like a travel pillow. That actually might come in handy. We've got, man, there's just a lot of stuff here. Sprezzabox travel case. Okay, and it's like meant to hold maybe like a small tablet or charger, phone, passport, or notepad. I don't know if this is pleather or vinyl. It's very nice though. It's got a thing for a stylus here. That's really nice. All this stuff for $10, guys. Can't beat it. And the last item we have here, is, all right, and you can never have enough of these, but it is a grooming kit with nail clippers, mustache trimmer, tweezers, file. Man, that is nice little pouch. February 2017, the Vanderbilt. As a nod to the golden age of travel that birthed the iconic Grand Central Station, we're proud to present the Vanderbilt. This travel-themed box is a first-class experience in style and comfort. Whichever mode of transportation you choose, take along the Sprezzabox collection for a smoother and more stylish ride. Enjoy the journey. Man, I mean, it's a great box. We've also got a $10 off luxury menswear coupon. Oh, here we go. So all the items. Cotton Brew necktie, Brooklyn Wolf pocket square, Sprezza travel case, Sleep Saintly travel pillow, Brickle lip balm, and the travel grooming kit. I mean, what a deal, guys. I highly recommend this box. I think I might stick with this one. Really giving Birchbox a run for the money. Not so many like travel or kind of sample items in terms of grooming, but like actual, like legit items that you can wear and use, like the tie, the pocket square, the grooming kit, everything. Wow. So, well, anyways, feel free to comment, like this video, subscribe if you want. Who knows what's going to pop up on the page. But feel free to comment. Let me know what was your favorite item in this box. If you are a current Sprezzabox member, let me know what some of your favorite items you've received in previous boxes. That'd be cool. So I can kind of know what I'm getting myself into. And until then, next time, everyone take care. It's your pal Digital saying later.